How do you turn your office into a winter wonderland without breaking the budget? Are you tired of dull spaces that don't inspire creativity during the cold months? Today, let's create the cozy and festive workplace of your dreams. How to keep your office decor professional yet festive? Balancing professionalism with festivity is key to maintaining a workplace that's both productive and celebratory. Point 1. Stick to a color scheme. Choose 2 to 3 complementary colors that align with your office's branding or a classic winter palette. Point 2. Avoid overcrowding. Focus on a few statement pieces rather than cluttering every available surface. Point 3. Use multifunctional decor. Items like LED candles and chic wreaths can be festive while maintaining an elegant vibe. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more office transformation tips. How can you make decorations eco-friendly? Eco-friendly decor choices can make your office both festive and sustainable. Point 1. Recycled materials. Use upcycled paper, glass, or fabric for your decorations. Point 2. LED lighting. Opt for energy-efficient lights to reduce power consumption. Point 3. Natural decor. Pine cones, dried oranges, and eucalyptus are biodegradable and beautiful. Check out the description for a list of eco-friendly decoration ideas. How can you incorporate winter decor without overspending? Decorating on a budget doesn't mean compromising on style or quality. It's about creativity and resourcefulness. Point 1. DIY projects. Create paper snowflakes, repurpose mason jars as candle holders, or craft pinecone garlands. Point 2. Secondhand finds. Thrift stores are treasure troves for unique decor at a fraction of the cost. Point 3. Nature-inspired elements. Incorporate pine branches, berries, and wood slices for a natural, inexpensive aesthetic. Check out the description for a playlist of budget-friendly decorating ideas. What are some creative ways to involve your team in decorating? Engaging your team in the decoration process makes the experience collaborative and fun. Point 1. Host a decoration contest. Award prizes for the best decorated desk or team area. Point 2. Organize a crafting day. Spend an afternoon creating DIY decorations together. Point 3. Themed photo booth. Set up a winter-themed corner for team photos, doubling as decor. Looking for items featured in this video? Check the description for product links. What key areas should you focus on while decorating? Strategic decoration ensures that every corner of your office radiates winter charm without feeling cluttered. Point 1. Reception area. Use wreaths, twinkle lights, and a decorated table to create a welcoming entrance. Point 2. Desks and cubicles. Add small personal touches like mini trees, holiday mugs, or seasonal desk organizers. Point 3. Break room. Make it cozy with fairy lights, seasonal tablecloths, and a hot chocolate station. Want more similar videos? Check out the description below. What are the best themes for winter office decorations? The right theme sets the tone for your decorations and ensures cohesiveness, making your office look intentional and professional. Point 1. Classic Winter Wonderland. Think white and silver tones, snowflakes, and faux snow. It's elegant and timeless. Point 2. Rustic Cozy Cabin. Use warm colors, plaid patterns, faux fireplaces, and lots of wood accents. Point 3. Minimalist Nordic style. Clean lines, natural materials, and simple white decor with hints of green for a chic yet festive look. Which theme speaks to you? Let us know in the comments below. Why should you decorate your office for winter? Decorating your office for winter creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, boosts morale, and fosters a sense of community among employees. Point 1. Employee morale. A festive environment can reduce stress and make the office feel less monotonous, enhancing employee happiness and productivity. Point 2. Client impressions. A well-decorated office leaves a positive impression on clients, showing attention to detail and creativity. Point 3. Team bonding. Planning and executing decorations can be a team-building activity that strengthens workplace relationships. Enjoying this content? Don't forget to like and share with your colleagues. Decorating your office for winter doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. It's about creativity, collaboration, and the joy of transforming a workspace into a cozy haven. Which idea will you try first? Let us know, and stay tuned for more inspiration on making every season special at work.